हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का पहला सवाल है, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू बी रिक्रूटेड इन इंडियन सिविल सर्विसेज इन ब्रिटिश इंडिया? ऑप्शंस आर सत्येंद्रनाथ टैगोर, रहीमतुल्लाह एम साहनी, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी। राइट ऑप्शन इज ए सत्येंद्रनाथ टैगोर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the plan between 5th 5-year plan and 6th 5-year plan is known as dash. Options are forward, equality, rolling, integrated. Right option is C, rolling. Next question, Skill India Mission's governing council is chaired by the options are Chief Minister, President, Prime Minister, Home Minister. Right option is C, Prime Minister. Next question, the contribution made by each sector of the economy into GDP is called dash. Options are structural composition, nominal composition, real GDP, real composition. Right option is A, structural composition. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? Options are Article 19, Article 21, Article 20, Article 22. Right option is B, Article 21. Next question, which of the following case is not a criminal law case? Options are murder, harassment for dowry, theft, divorce case. Right option is D, divorce case. Next question, name the state which has the highest female literacy rate in India as per census 2011. Options are Mizoram, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Right option is B, Kerala. Next question, in human body, the food passes through a continuous canal which begins at dash. Options are stomach, buccal cavity, food pipe, rectum. Right option is B, buccal cavity. Next question, Tamil Nadu coast gets a large portion of its rain during dash and dash. Options are April and May, October and November, May and June, August and September. Right option is B, October and November. Next question, what is the jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane called? Options are plasma, cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm. Right option is D, cytoplasm. Next question, Nabre is the lunar new year that is celebrated in which of the following states or union territories? Options are Sikkim, Assam, Manipur, Jammu and Kashmir. Right option is D, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution talks about oath or affirmation by the President? Options are Article 72, Article 60, Article 45, Article 56. Right option is B, Article 60. Next question, as per Schedule 8 of the Indian Constitution, how many official languages are there in India? Options are 22, 12, 42, 32. Right option is A, 22. Next question, Roger Federer is a famous player of dash sport. Options are rugby, lawn bowls, football, lawn tennis. Right option is D, lawn tennis. Next question, cultivation of wheat thrives best in which type of soil? Options are yellow soil, red soil, black soil, well-drained loamy soil. Right option is D, well-drained loamy soil. Thank you.